Hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble and in this video we are going to see how to fix internet problem in Windows 10 computer. So the method number one is to check if the Windows 10 is not on airplane mode. To check this, you have to right click on the Windows start menu and then click on the settings. In the settings, you have to type airplane in this search box and then click on airplane mode. So make sure this is off and it is not on. If airplane mode is on, then you won't be able to access internet. Method number two is to restart router and modem to establish a new connection with your ISP. Then check if router's lights are all blinking and it's connected to the ISP. Also check if your LAN cable is connected properly to your router and it is not loose. If it is loose, please connect it properly to your router and then check if the issue resolves or not. Also check if Wi-Fi password is correct or not. Once you check these settings, and even after checking these settings the issue does not resolve, we have to check another troubleshooting methods, and another troubleshooting method is to click on the search box and then type cmd and open the command prompt with administrator rights. Once you open the command prompt, type ip config /all and then hit enter. Now you will have to find out the DNS address. So this is the DNS address, and then we have to type ping 8.8.8.8 and check if this DNS is pinging or not. Another troubleshooting method is to type netsh winsock reset and then hit enter. After this process, you have to restart the computer and then check if the issue resolves or not. The next command would be to type netsh int reset and then hit enter. Then you have to type ip config /release. After this command, you can see there is no internet connection, and now if I do renew the IP address with this command, then I will be able to connect to the internet. So you can see over here that icon is changed and I do have internet connectivity. After this command, we have to type ip config /flush DNS and then hit enter. Now after this process, after all the processes, you have to restart the computer. So type shutdown -s -r -t then 00, hit enter. The command is wrong. So this was the correct command, that -s should not be there, -r should be there for the restart, and -t is for timing and 00 is quickly restart the computer. After restart, check if the issue resolves or not. If the issue doesn't resolve, then we have to follow another troubleshooting method. Then right click on the start menu and then click on the device manager. In the device manager, you will get network adapters over here, and then expand it, and you will have to find out the network adapter you are using, and then right click on the network adapter and then click on update driver. So click on browse my computer and then click on let me pick. So this is the driver installed on your computer. Click on next and then click on finish. So once you do this, check if the issue resolves or not. If the issue doesn't resolve, then you have to right click on the adapter again and then click on uninstall device. So click on uninstall and this device would be uninstalled. Then you can check with the scan for hardware changes. If it is appears, then well and good, the drivers are installed for this device. If this is not happening, then you have to reboot the computer once and then check if the issue resolves or not. If network connectivity is gone after installing Windows updates, then you have to uninstall the latest updates installed on your computer, and to do that you have to right click on the start menu and then click on settings. Click on update and security, and in the update and security you have to click on view update history over here. So you have to check which update was installed and If this happens after that installation, then you have to uninstall that update. So to uninstall that update, you have to click on uninstall updates and it will take you to the control panel. Now you have to check the latest date. You have to sort this with the latest date and then you have to uninstall that update from your computer. Let's suppose this update is installed on today itself, so I will have to uninstall this update from my computer and we'll check if the issue resolves or not. If the issue doesn't resolve, then we'll have to follow another troubleshooting method. So another method is to right click on the Windows start menu and then click on settings, then click on update and security, and in the update and security you have to click on troubleshoot. In the troubleshoot you have to click on additional troubleshooters, and in the additional troubleshooters you will have to find network adapter. So this is network adapter and then click on run the troubleshooter. So it will start detecting problems for us and then it will try to fix the problem. So this troubleshooting doesn't find any problems, and now I'm going to close the troubleshooter. If there are any problems in your computer, it will fix your problem and then you will be able to use internet. If you have connected with a Wi-Fi, then you have to click on network and internet over here and then click on Wi-Fi. You will find this toggle option, and if this is off, then you won't be able to get the internet connection. You can also check by turning it off and then turning it on as well, and then if the internet is accessible. Or so if these troubleshooting steps doesn't works, then there could be an issue with the hardware and you have to check the LAN port on your motherboard if it is working or not. If it is not working, you have to get the new LAN card and then your issue would be resolved. You can also use some Wi-Fi adapters available in the market to get the internet connection quickly. I hope this video will help you out to resolve your issue. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye bye.